Let's begin with some fun time. I would like to show you this painting. The background is a New York State Park. It's so beautiful. I had a trip around 2 years ago. Always want to paint it, but I never get time. Finally, a couple months ago, I had an opportunity. And then I would like to show you how I plan this painting, the process. Start from the how I sketch, and the material, and the whole process, how I complete the painting process. So let's start from sketch the shapes, shall we? I would like to use pencil to start. I also see people use pen to paint it on canvas directly. So whatever which way you prefer, pick a way which you feel comfortable with. And here's my palette colors. You can group your colors by the major areas. For example, in this painting, we have 3 major areas. They are the sky, light blue. They are the trees, mainly the green, all types of different kind of greens, warm green and the cold greens. And also we have the brown, the earth, the mountain color. We also have the lake, but it's very close to the sky color as well. It's light blue. You can use the traditional palette, or in more practical way, you can use one-time use paper plate or this palette paper. I really like it, so after you use it, you don't have to wash it. Some people like to start from the highlight part, the lighter part, or some people start from dark part. I like to start from the middle. I like to fill the color first, or the major parts first. Then working on the dark part, working on the lighter part, and the details. I like to start with the middle tone, and I want to let you know there's no specific way to start a painting. It's traditional way, but there's no specific way. And you can start with your favorite way, which you feel most comfortable. Then working on the dark part, working on the lighter part, and the details. So I kind of worked backwards compared to watercolor. I actually leave the lightest part blank by now. I cover the rest of the areas. Good thing about acrylic painting, it is comfortable. Compared to watercolor, you have to be very careful, always starting from the lightest part. But with acrylic painting, because it's comfortable, it's not transparent, so you do not need to worry too much. And one challenging point compared to oil painting, it dries so fast compared to watercolor as well. So you have to act very fast. And another rule is warm color normally feel closer, and cold for color make things look far away. So from the background, I add more brown, orangish brown, warm brown, and to bring things closer. I also add teal blue to the water, to the river. I love teal blue. So those are my personal touch of my favorite colors. That's the fun part of art. When you make art, you are recreate from the original photo, so make things more interesting. I believe there's two parts of art. The science of art, mainly it is the technical side. The art skills, how to paint, what kind of materials we use, the color theories, the lighting, the values, the perspective, for example, for landscaping art, and the art of art, which means the emotion side, the purpose, why we paint, the background, the story behind, the art, the style, the personal style, the spiritual, and much more. My belief of a good art has meaning, a deep connection of our human beings. There should be a good balance between the science and the art of art, both the technical and the emotion sides. It takes a lot of practice and also need to overcome the fear of failure in order to explore new things to grow. I love art because it's such a fun and a lifelong learning process. Hope you enjoy it as well. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you next time.